Have you been searching for the perfect SUV with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2020 GMC Terrain SLE in blue emerald metallic. With HID headlamps, brake assist, 17-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, rear window wiper and washer, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 51,000 miles on the odometer, 7-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, split folding rear seats, dual-pane panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at MarinoCJD.com, stock number 47570B.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.